If I switch employers now, how could it affect my H-1B status and any future green card applications?
Well, I need a little more context, but if you are on an H-1B and you switch an employer, I will say that the administration is going to look at your case, what we say de novo, right? So maybe you already had your H approved under the Biden administration and it was fine. Now they're going to apply a new standard, their current standards in re-adjudicating your H. So just because you had a prior H approved does not guarantee an approval on a change of employer. So that's the risk. And obviously, if you don't have H-1B status, that will affect any future green card applications because you can't adjust status if you're not able to be in the country lawfully. So I think that's the only issue that we've seen with changes of employer is, sometimes if you had kind of a questionable specialty occupation job, also looking at the ONET codes, a lot of positions were downgraded. So maybe you were like a zone 4, zone 5 professional position before, but now it's a zone 3. So you'd have to do it in a different position. The wage levels are changing. So all of those things are things to consider when you do the change of employer. And I would just double check with an attorney that does a lot of H's to make sure you are clear on those risks before you do the jump. And something that I always recommend is you can file a change of employer before you leave your current employment. And that's how you should do it. I would wait until that change of employer is approved before you change or resign your job. Because if it doesn't work out, then at least you can stick in your current employment.